How to watch AI films on Escape AI. So the first thing you need to do is to head over and then sign up or make an account on escape.ai. Once you have done so like me, you just need to head over and then just choose the actual film that you want to watch. For example, let's head over and then choose in here this driven to speed. Take note that Escape AI has scientific, horror, fictions, and a lot. Let's click on this play icon right here on this particular, and that once you have clicked on that, this will actually redirect you to the next page. Now, once you have clicked on that, this will show you this ribbon to speed, wherein you can click on display right. So just head over and click on display, and then this will actually load to the next page wherein you can see this particular film. So as you see, this is just a short film, and you can see it, and you can now watch it. You can also full screen it if you want. So that's how you watch AI films on Escape AI. Hope we helped.